Hello everyone. I'm Lole. First of all, thank you for coming back to my channel. Here, many of you already know how to install and use Flask framework, PostgreSql database, pgAdmin, which is a PostgreSql database management tool on the Ubuntu Linux OS. Today, I will share with you how to install and use Flask, PostgreSql, pgAdmin with a single command line. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone. So first we need to open my blog. My blog is the levelloud.net. And there is a topic for the video today about the Docker. We will install and use a Flask framework or PostgreSql pgAdmin with Docker. There are some steps and command line here to install and use them. The first we need to install tool git docker VScode on the Ubuntu Linux before. Then we go to the step 1. We need to pull the subcode from the GitHub I already prepared before. Yet right now we need to create a folder to contain this subcode on the desktop. For example, and also open this folder with the Visual Code window to do something after that. Then we also open new terminal to run some command line with the Docker. Okay, terminal is ready. Next, we need to run some command line with the Git. Initialize, connect the Git server with the Git localhost, and pull subcode to the our machine. And we need to recheck if there are any connection. Okay, connecting between Git server and Git localhost. And right now we will pull subcode to our machine. Okay, we can see there are some files when we pull subcode from the GitHub. Requirements file, there are 3 packages for the install Flask framework. SQL or Jimmy to interact picking a Flask project with the PostgreSql. PyCorp2 binary is a driver to connect the PostgreSql with the Flask framework. Okay. With the Docker file, there are some information symbol here. Docker Compose, there are 3 services. The first service that relies to image progress, data progress. The second service, pgAdmin, that with image pgAdmin from. The two, the monitor everything about the database of the PostgreSql. The third, the last service about the Flask project. Okay, and there is an app folder here, and it contains everything about the subcode of the Flask project. Here, there is a file in .py that contains some command line, and this file will run the first for the Flask project. Okay. We finished one. Right now, go to the step 2. Then we need to configure and run some Docker commands to download image and set up container. Yet the first we need to configure some necessary information on the file Docker compose. Yet what will we configure about on the Docker compose? Yet we will configure some information about the environment variable for the each service. Yet with the PostgreSql, we will configure this information here. DB name, user, to manager, this DB, password for this user, and the environment for the pgAdmin for, okay, email, password for the admin, pgAdmin, and the environment for the Flask project with the some information, hot, DB name, user, password, okay, and the before we configure them, let me explain some information about the relationship between services each other. The first Flask framework wants to run with the PostgreSql, yet it has environment variable, DB name, host, user, password with the similar with the environment PostgreSql. So that means that we change DB name, the same DB name between service DB and service web. Okay, right now we can apply the information here. Yeah. We will change to the main, my name. Okay, the similar. Okay, we can see DB user password value, and the DB user password here the same. They are the same. Okay, DB host DB is default value. No change. And with the pgAdmin, there are two the information parental to need change here. Okay, admin and the my password main value password. We can change anything information if you want here. Okay. Yep. We configure some information about the on the Docker compose file here. Just finished. Next, we need to configure some necessary information on the file up top part. What will we configure on the RIS file? And here, we need to configure some information about the environment. Yes, environment as well. Flask project want to connect with the PostgreSql. That it has some information about the connection PostgreSql here. And there are four environment variable here. And they are the same. They are the same with the information about the web service here. Yet with the environment here. So we can understand. We copy this information to the up. And the chain here. Okay, and similar that we need to the chain. Okay, my user, my password, TB host name, the my DP. They're the same with the environment variable here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we finished to configure some information about the on the firewall app the Docker. Now next we need to run this command line to the create image and the container. Okay, container. But before run this command line, we need to check if there are any images and the containers on the Docker at the moment. The first image. We can see no image here, and we recheck if there are any container. Yet no containers here. Okay, right now we will run this command line to the create image. Create image and the container. Yet one time. Run. We can see Docker start to pulling to pull the image progress to the Docker on our machine. Process is running. Just please wait a second. Let me explain more information about the configure some more information here. Yet the port that we can display, that we can change port. For example, with the TB service, we can replace port here because PostgreSql run with the default port with the 5432, but with the outer host machine that we can run with another port. For example, 54, 51, 54, 53, yet etc. Yet okay, and with the pgAdmin, that the similar. Yet we can deploy 80 port IP file to another port because pgAdmin 4 run with the default port with the IT. Okay, but if you want that you can replace into another port, for example 85, 86, 87, 86. Okay, and with the web service for the outer Flask project, and default port with the Flask project, it will run on the port 5000, 5000. But if you want, we can apply another port. For example, 5001, 5002, 3. Okay, but here I don't want change. Yet I leave to the 5000 port. Okay. With the Docker combo, that we can deploy environment variable port the each to the each service. Okay, we can see on the console window that project is completely successful, and we need to reject again if there are any image and the container at the moment on the Docker image. Okay, yet there are some image from the service. Yeah. And the container. Yet we can see there is three. There are three container. Yeah, at the moment. Yet the first container with the pgAdmin. Yet pgAdmin will run a browser. Yet with the prop IT file. Okay. The second container is our the Flask project. My website container here. Get my website container name. Okay. And it run with the porter 5000. And third container yet with the PostgreSql. Yet database PostgreSql. Okay. We can see they are ready for the running. Yeah, for the running. But we come back by we come back. Okay, now we finished step 2. Right now go to the step 3. That we need to do something on the PostgreSql and the pgAdmin. The first we need to accept to this URL and the login inside the pgAdmin. Okay, pgAdmin for works. Yeah, pgAdmin for work. And we need to log in. Yet credential, use credential, and to log in here. And the email address and the passwords. Where will we get? Yet where will we get? And here. Yet environment variable from the pgAdmin service. Yet we can see. Yet we can get the email and password here. Yet of the pgAdmin. Copy, paste here, copy, paste here. Okay, right now we are inside pgAdmin window. But the first we need to create a new server. Get new server to the manager database MyDB MyDB. Okay. We need to enter the information here. Yet for the login after that name. Yet for example DB name with the connection tab. Yet there are some information here. We need to enter here. The first we need to host name and the address. The address. IP address. Yeah, we need the IP address and enter. Yet to enter here. But where will we get? Yeah, where will we get? And why come back pop the first here. Get IP address PostgreSql service on the container by this command line. Okay, the command line. Let me explain some information about the IP address. Yep. Let me explain some information about the IP address on the container. Containers. This container run on Docker. Yet each of them has the an IP address. Yet IP address. And this command line. Yet this command line will get RAT IP address. IP address. And the container name. Yet we need to reply name by name here. Okay. Name here because we need to get IP address of the PostgreSql service. Okay. Yet and here. we can see, we can see there's some information returned for us, and we need to care IP address inform here. 172.30.0.2. Yet we need to get IP address and the copy. Yet and pass here. Pass here. Pass here. Yet we also replace some other place. For example, database my DB. Okay. Username my user. And the password. And password here. This information about the credential here. So need to enter here. Okay. My DB. Information credential of the our DB. Okay. The DB name, username, password for this user. Okay, and the same. Sorry, user. Okay, good. We can see. We can see there are host DB with the our database here. The database here. There is our database MyDB. And we also we get there is a table in the database, our database schema table, and here we can see no table here, not because we don't create any table yet at the moment. Okay, we finished step 3. Right now we go to the step 4. We will show some information about the table user on the Flask project, but at the moment we don't have any user table for PostgreSql MyDB, our MyDB. Okay, but right now we will go to this URL. This URL. What to do? Before we run this URL, let me explain some information about the create how to Flask project, how to create the table user to the PostgreSql. We open up the doc file. We can run this URL. We will call a request. The first request. Wrap request is called method hello world. Okay. Method hello world. Table user to get some information, some records. Some records to sound on the home page Flask project. But at that time it will run this method create table. For the before with the decorate before first request of the Flask project Flask framework called method create table. TB create all. That means this method create all table with the support from the SQL alchemy here, and the create tables. For example, here a table user here. Okay. Relationship. Relationship between the class user. SQL alchemy library, method create table, and the request hello world. Okay. Shortly. After we run read the URL, we create table user in the PostgreSql. Okay, it is easy to understand. Enter. Okay, we can see no data information here, but now we will check if there are any table, if the table in the MyDB or MyDB that we refresh. Okay, there is a user table here. That user table here after run request, first request the home page of the Flask project. Okay. Of course, yes, of course, no data information in the read table. So here, homepage from homepage, we don't see any data information here. Okay. We can see, yet we can see, this is information about the table, yet table user, but there are not any data record here yet. But right now we need to create some record here. For example, okay, email, for example, okay, and subchain. Okay, right now we need to refresh the homepage Flask project. We can see, yeah, there is a record from the user table, get user table, and show here, yeah, and display here, and okay, that's good. That's all about the video today. Until now with the create image, get create image container about the Flask, MySQL, PostgreSql, pgAdmin, and the create database, initialize database, create table, yeah, and everything okay. And there is a small note. These steps we can do on all the OS, for example Windows, Mac OS. And I hope through this video you should practice more to apply to your project, your app, your job, your studying. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time. See you another video. Goodbye.